Good? Time. Amala mo tong batong ito. Bato ni Darna ito. Pag nahanap mo to, may prize ka, ha? Okay, ready. And up! Go! Ito. Yay! Good. Listen.
This camp is not to fatigue ourselves. We're here to make sure that we get to do the workouts according to our ability. So we finish it and we leave camp for those racing next week, ready for the race, and for those not yet racing next week, ready for the following weeks. So we have those doing the lap.
Kumbaga pag nakalapit ka na, doon pa lang po siya makikita. Yun ang kwento, so wala po personal experience po in the matter. Kasi po hindi po ako lumaro.
Words, Lord, na nilagay mo sa tri-suit ng Baguio Brigade, Lord. Truly, Lord, that you alone can save, Lord God. Wala na pong iba. Lord, samahan mo kami, Lord, as we enjoy this day. Protect us, Lord. Even the young boys, Lord God, as they train, Lord, be with them also, Lord. Allow them to learn and experience your love and grace and your blessing, Lord God. We love you, Jesus.
Catch me on the downslide. I'll be heading up in the wild, chilling low key.
Thank you, Mark! And go! Thank you, Mark! And up!
Catch me on the downslide. I'll be heading up in the wild, chilling low key. Catch me on the downslide. I'll be heading up in the wild, chilling low key.
Come on, almost there! Almost there! Come on, yellow line! Yeah, finish line! Woo! Alright, alright!
Wild, chilling low key. Catch me on the downslide.
Yes! Good job!
I'll be heading up in the wild, chilling low key.
Chef and I and the boys really use. So marami kami tinanggal talaga ng products. He was giving me a roll down and I said, no. Some we tried personally, we didn't like how we felt. Some we really don't believe in it to begin with. So we were able to come down with, we were able to come up with a few of the products that we really use. Not like the products here, I use all, or that Jen uses all. It's personal to me, it's personal to Jen, to Josh, to Dash. I guess that's how the sport is not.
Gives me food portions that are like 120 grams of protein and rice, and for me that's not enough for what I do.
It's supposed to taste that way. This kind of and you want nobody has to add us to so many theories, but the first one that was my boss.
Today's pace 12.8, 3.1. Ready, go. Today's pace 22.8. Today's pace. Arrow, go. Gambale, hey.
Gambate!
Arrow, go. Today's pace.
Relax. Ito, tigas, oh. Wow. Relax. Oh. Relax. Yun. Yan. Relax, oh. Huwag mo yan. Wow!
Yung pala yung motivation.
Wow!
Mid-2021, when the pandemic was starting to get loose and the food
Ang darap ko eh.
Wala cheese. Siya yung makatry rin.
Ikaw nakatry rin ka din.
So, out of 40 riders, this guy was left. Dalawa na lang kami. Galing, okay, stay.
Thank you.